In this video, I'll walk you through the process of setting up Please Donate in Roblox. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips and tricks. Setting up Please Donate in Roblox allows you to create a virtual donation stand where players can donate Robux to support in-game projects or causes. It helps generate in-game currency through player generosity. So, first things first, log into your Roblox account on your PC and head to the home page. Look at the top of the page. You'll see a button that says Create. Click on it, and it'll take you straight to the Creator Hub. Once you're there, check out the left-hand menu and click on Creations. This will show you all the stuff you've made. From here, pick one of your public experiences. Don't worry, it's just like the one I'm showing as an example. When you're in your chosen experience, scroll a bit on the left side of the screen. Under the Monetization section, you'll spot an option called Passes. Click that, and you'll be taken to the Passes setup area. Now here's where the fun starts. You'll see a button that says Create a Pass. Click it, and you'll get to a page where you can upload an image for your pass. Just click the Change button, and a window will pop up asking you to pick a picture. It can be a JPG, PNG, or BMP file. Once you've got your image ready, you can give your pass a cool name and even add a description to make it stand out. When everything looks good, hit Create Pass. Once that's done, you'll go back to the Pass window, and you'll see your shiny new Game Pass with its icon. Now, look at the left menu again and click Sales. In the Sales section, turn on the Item for Sale option by toggling the button. Set a price for your pass, just like I'm doing, and don't forget to hit Save Changes. Boom! Your Game Pass is live and ready. Next, head back to the Roblox homepage and type Please Donate in the search bar. Click on the game when it pops up and start playing. In the game, you'll get to set up a booth using your pass. You can name it anything you want and customize it with different booth types, fonts, colors, and more. Congrats! You've just set up your own Please Donate booth with your Game Pass. Have fun and see how it goes. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.